Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to hide Wix website. So if you have just recently published your Wix website and it is already live online, and if you want to go ahead and try to hide it again or unpublish it, so this is the step-by-step guide for you. So the first thing that you need to do, so onto the website or onto Wix website, you need to head back onto the dashboard for that one. Now here onto the left side, so you'll just need to scroll down until you can find the settings for this. So just simply click onto settings, and then right after, once you have already clicked onto that, you should be able to see in here your website setting. So click onto your website setting, and then right after, you'll get redirected onto another page. So you should be able to see that your site is already published, and to unpublish it, there is a button next to it so that you could do that. Just click onto it, click on and publish again, and your website will be hidden again, or it will be not visible to other people. And that's just basically it onto how to hide your Wix website. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.